Good morning to all. My name is Dr. Muniratnam LM, Assistant Professor, Sri Kadavara Varadaraj M. Shetty, Government First Grade College, Koteshwara Kundapura, Udupi District. In this session, I am going to explain one of the elective papers of physics, that is Electrical Appliance, third semester. The main learning objective of this study is to understand the meaning of inductor types, multimeter, and digital multimeter functions. The session outcomes is the inductor types and DMM functions. First we move on to inductor. See, it is basically inductors are made by winding a length of conductor around a core. The conductor is usually a solid copper of aluminum wire coated with enamel insulation, and core is made either of magnetic material such as iron insulating material. When an inductor is wound around an insulating core, that is core is only for support since it has no magnetic properties. So this is the diagram of symbol for iron core inductor, and it is iron core inductor. Inside it is coil, and iron core it is made up of stampings. This is a symbol for insulated core inductor or an air core inductor. See, if the heavy wire is used in making the inductor, a core is actually not needed. The rigid loops of wire support themselves when a magnetic core is not used. The inductor is usually referred to as an air core inductor. The inductor with the set values of inductance that cannot be changed are called fixed inductors. Here the values are set without changing any inductance value, that is called fixed inductors. And in some cases it can be varied, that is known as variable inductors. Usually variable inductors are made so that the core can be moved into or out of the winding. The position of the core will determine the inductance value of the figure given below. The fixed inductors are used as ballast in gas discharge lamps. They are also used in electronics as power supply filters. See, this is the symbol for tapped inductor. The variable inductors and tapped inductors are used for obtaining variation of current in welding transformers to suit the electrode size and weld material. The main disadvantages of inductance is which increases in switch contact, which is a major disadvantage. A large voltage across the contacts while opening the switch of the inductance circuit, it sets an arc and the stored energy in the magnetic field increases. The arcing additional measures are required to suppress the arc in such circuits. Next function is application of multimeter. Multimeter, it is used for various applications, like in case of electrical circuits, electronic appliance machines, and it is a hardy instrument measuring presence at the source and voltage drop across the line, and also current, it is in millimeter, multi-amps, milliamps, and the electrical appliance to know the resistance of the electrical circuits. And types of multimeter, there are two types. One is analog multimeter and digital multimeter. In analog there are two types: selector switch type, multi-plug type. In digital there are selector switch type, auto ranging, and LGD display. See, the analog type multimeters It have a meter movement mechanism and it has scale and pointer. The reading is obtained by looking at the position of the pointer and the scale. The comparison between analog and digital multimeters. So in case of analog, instrument has moving pointer. Digital, there is no moving parts. In analog, the position is fixed. In digital type, it can be used in any position. In analog type, loads the measuring of the circuits. In digital types, there is no any loading occurs. The auto range settings are not possible, and in case of digital it is possible. This digital multimeter. See, in case of digital multimeter, the movement can be replaced by digital readout, and it is similar in electronic calculators, internal circuit of digital multimeter, integrated circuits like analog type digital multimeter as same. It has switching arrangement. Here the quantity is displayed in the form of 4 digits numbers with a decimal point. When DC quantities are measured, the polarity which can be identified by positive and negative. Then DMM functions, the basic functions found on most digital multimeters are the same as those on analog multimeters. Ohms, DC voltage and current, AC voltage and current. Some digital multimeters provide special functions such as a transistor, diode test, power measurement, decibel measurement, for audio amplifiers test, and displays of digital multimeters. It is available either LCD, liquid crystal display, or light emitting readouts. The LCD is the most commonly used readout in battery powered measurements because it requires only a very small amount of current. A typical battery with a DMM with an LCD readout operates at an voltage of 9 volt and few hundred hours to 1000 hours and more. The main disadvantages of LCD readouts are that they are difficult or impossible to see in poor light conditions and relatively slow to respond to measurement changes. LEDs on the other hand can be seen in dark and quickly changes to measured in values. Then conclusion part is, from this session you would able to understand the difference between inductor core, tapped inductor, multimeter, types of multimeter, digital multimeter functions and its types. Then references are Electrical Technology by P.L. Teraj, SC and Chan Publication Company, and one more author is Electrical Engineering by N.L. Anwani, Dhanpant Rai and Sons. It was published in 2018. Thank you.